BitBoy Crypto is a cryptocurrency content creator with a net worth of approximately $28 million. He goes by the name Ben Armstrong and maintains a YouTube channel where he covers the newest crypto news, reviews coins, and gives trading advice. Ben's channel has exploded in popularity since the introduction of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. He now has over 1.44 million members on the platform, and the bull market is continuing to boost his reach. Not only on BTC, but BitBoy gives forecasts, news, and updates on every cryptocurrency. His predictions and forecasts have come true, and he continues to be the top crypto influencer of 2022. As always, BitBoy has shown his support for Cardano, revealing that Cardano would explode next week, and we know almost all predictions done by BitBoy have been true. If you want to learn more about it, keep watching the video. Hello guys, welcome to Cardano Future, your daily dose of Cardano news. If you're interested in everything around Cardano, this is the place for you. Watch till the end if you want to get the latest on everything Cardano, and today in this video I'll talk about BitBoy Crypto, who recently predicted that Cardano is going to explode next week. But before that, give us a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Also reminding you again that don't forget to hit the bell icon to join our monthly cash giveaway that's pinned in the comments. Now, without wasting any more time, let's begin. In a video for his highly successful YouTube channel, crypto analyst and influencer Ben Armstrong, who is the host of the channel BitBoy Crypto, talked about Cardano ADA last week. He stated that Cardano was trading little above 17 cents on January 1, 2022. ADA was priced at $1.33 exactly 1 year later when the ball dropped for 2022. Even if you held ADA from start to finish in 2021, you would have nearly doubled your money. You can see how far this project has progressed when you zoom out to a macro level. Not to mention the roadmap for this year, it's evident that this is just the beginning. Now, as we can see, Cardano has been in a downtrend for the last 7 days. It has now picked up pace and is going up as of now. The most recent Cardano price analysis is bullish for today because it provides positive outcomes for investors, as the price has recovered following a significant drop in the previous week. After finding support at $1.11 yesterday, the price function is covering the range upwards for the second day. Previously, the bears had been in control of the market for a few weeks, deteriorating the price on a weekly basis as the trend line continued downward since December 28th. The bulls are attempting a comeback, but the bearish advantage remains formidable. Today, the price climbed up to a lower high of $1.208, indicating a new uptrend. As the price has rebounded more today, the bulls have made a major return yesterday and are maintaining their lead today. Despite the fact that the bulls had a strong lead in the previous hours, the current situation is quite the reverse. The situation favors the selling, as the price has dropped to $1.208 from $1.22 in the last 4 hours. On the 4-hour chart, the moving average value is currently trading at $1.17. BitBoy continued to say that, on Christmas Eve, the Cardano Foundation tweeted, for some perspective on the year ADA had in 2021, there were 190,000 ADA wallets available at Christmas. Today, there are approximately 2.5 million ADA wallets, a 1,200% rise from the previous year. The daily charts are one thing, but these are the numbers you should pay attention to in the big picture. Now, those 2.3 million new wallet owners will spread the word to their friends and family. It will continue to increase at an exponential rate. I'm curious to see what that figure will be in 2023, 2025, and beyond. You see, I'm not sure if you're aware of this, but there's a rocket ship on its way to the moon. Cardano is the name of the rocket ship. You need to board the rocket ship as soon as possible to avoid being left behind. But that's only the beginning. Cardano was the most developed coin on GitHub in 2021, according to an article published by Cointelegraph's Zhu Yuan Sun. More than 175 projects are actively developing on Cardano, with more than a dozen of them set to launch by the end of Q1 2022, according to Charles. On a recent YouTube stream, he also stated that he expects the number of ADA users to grow tenfold. Isn't that awesome? We might get to see the true potential of Cardano in 2022. People think that ADA is done now, it's lost its potential in the crypto market, but guess what? Every time investors think like that, we get to see more of Cardano, and Charles Hoskinson outplay us every time by showing new tricks up his sleeves. But that's not the end. We have some more astonishing and fascinating Cardano news that will stun you. With a total social audience of over 3.2 million people, year-over-year growth across social channels increased by 468% in the last year. Cardano had 228 meetup events in 2021, with 71 groups from 46 countries. With a special emphasis on Africa, apart from the agreements with Tanzania and the University of Luxembourg, Charles had announced that in Q2 of 2022, they plan to establish a financial operating system that will provide Africans with access to DeFi. Since the launch of Alonzo in September, Cardano has been under pressure to produce a viable DeFi app. Although there are several upcoming initiatives still in the works, MuesliSwap was the first to go online on January 2. MuesliSwap is a decentralized exchange with launchpad functionality that also runs on the Bitcoin Cash blockchain, according to CryptoSlate.com. Milk, their utility coin, includes a number of beneficial features like priority trade, voting, staking, early access, and possibly calcium. Milk has already locked over $1 million in total value, according to DeFi Llama. Verlux is another important contribution to the Cardano ecosystem. Verlux is a decentralized cross-chain NFT platform that uses its cross-chain exchange capability to destroy the traditional NFT infrastructure. This enables the transfer of NFTs from other blockchains to the Cardano blockchain while keeping their authenticity. Verlux is also launching a staking infrastructure for NFTs, allowing users to harvest exclusive NFTs just by staking their token. The presale for the VLX token is now open until January 23rd, with one ADA equaling 500 VLX. But that was only the start of what Cardano had planned for this year. Without going into too many technical details, Hoskinson said that establishing an extendable UTXO smart contract mechanism for Cardano smart contracts is a key part of the roadmap for 2022. In essence, the EUTXO model is a hybrid of Bitcoin and EVM smart contracts. Hoskinson hopes to finalize the software stack and provide coding by October of this year, with the help of approximately 100 developers and 15 outside firms. There will be 3 hard forks this year, one in February, one in June, and one in October, to completely adopt the new EUTXO smart contract model. Over 20 Cardano improvement proposals, or CIPs, have been prepared or are anticipated to be live this year, according to Charles on another YouTube stream titled Whiteboard, DApps and Development. CIP 14, the user-facing asset fingerprint, attempts to create human-readable metadata for assets, and CIP 7, which will change the reward calculation equation to boost incentives for staking pool operators, are 2 of the most intriguing. Cardano also wants to spend the next 6 to 9 months enhancing its decentralized application environment, according to Charles. He emphasized the necessity of decentralization in the blockchain realm in this hour-long video. He discussed a variety of topics, including the theft of $10.5 billion from DeFi, the issue with Bitcoin maxis, and the continuous challenge with the old system, which includes governments refusing to aid blockchain since they will lose money. BitBoy also said that the thing I admire most about Charles is that he isn't scared to speak his thoughts and shake things up. He recently posted an inappropriate meme criticizing the US tax system's treatment of cryptocurrency. Not only because of their vision, but also because of their leadership is one of the main reasons I believe in Cardano, especially in the long run. Being a true pioneer often necessitates speaking out against popular opinion. Cardano does have a lot of irons in the fire right now, and its current price isn't even close to reflecting what's going on behind the scenes. Understand, this is a potential to make life-changing money. Mark my words, as more of the roadmap's deployment occurs this year, BitBoy's prediction will come true, and not just this week, with Cardano surging, but we may see Cardano dominate the entire year. Now that we've reached the end of this video, I'd want to thank you for sticking with me, and please let me know if you have any suggestions for what I should cover next. Also, if you want to be informed, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. That ends today's video, guys. We'd also want to point out that this isn't intended to be used as financial advice. We don't expect you to put money into it. This is simply a channel for introducing instructional content into the discussion. With that in mind, we recommend conducting thorough, broad-spectrum research on the subject before investing in anything. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. See you in the next one.